friends, this is John Small. As many of you know, I've been working on some videos about minimizing and decluttering and downsizing. I'm still working on that, but let me know if that's something you'd like to see. I do have a video currently on YouTube, and I'll put the link down below. And I'm working on another one. It's something I recorded, but I'm just doing the editing process now. It's about decluttering my art studio, which is always a work in progress. But if that's something you'd be interested in seeing, and seeing this journey towards minimalism and creating low waste. And low waste is a matter of bringing things into your home that you don't necessarily have to get rid of packaging. Right now with the pandemic, that's really hard to do. A lot of places aren't allowing reusable shopping bags, and that's understandable. So it's really finding ways to have less impact on the environment, living greener, having less negative effects on the outdoors, the wildlife, and the environment. So if that's something you'd be interested in, I'll be doing weekly videos, and let me know if there's something you'd like to know specifically about. I'm not an expert in this, and that's not the point of why I'm doing this. It's pretty much chronicling, documenting my journey. I think a lot of us can relate to decluttering and how difficult that is. Most of us have seen the show Hoarders and probably feel like we, to some extent, live like hoarders to some degree. And I do feel like we're either accumulating or we're minimizing. We're always in a state of flux, unless you're equally bringing things into your home and removing them. But generally, it's one or the other. And I have a lot of stuff here. I'm just looking around in my basement, my art studio area, and I did make a good chunk of progress in the art studio, and I will be posting that video hopefully within the next week or so. Let me know if there's something you'd like to see. I live on Cape Cod. I'm going to try to make this applicable to people all over the country and all over the world, really. So there'll be videos more of peaceful living, enjoying the environment that you live in, appreciating what you have, which is a matter of just going out and taking a walk. If you have a beach, great. If you have a wooded area or parks or a place where you can center yourself and find peace, I think we all need that on a daily level. So anyway, let me know what you think, and I will be posting more on this soon. I've got one minimalism video, and it's a beginning. It's a beginning of a long journey. So thanks again for taking the time to listen to me ramble on, and I look forward to posting more about this decluttering journey along with you all. Take care, everyone. Have a wonderful day.